Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix and resolve login issues on Hinge. So let's get started with the video. You need to go to the settings of your phone and after that go to the connections. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try to switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data and to vice versa as well. After that, what you can do is just try to update the application. Make sure you're using the updated one. Go to the Play Store if using an Android or App Store if using an iPhone. Search the particular application. Here you will see an update option. If you're getting that, make sure you try to update application and then try to log in again. Next thing which you can try here is try to clear the cache of the application. In the settings, search for the Hinge application. Here you need to scroll down till the end and go to the storage section. Here you will see an option of clear cache at the lower right side. Click on that and then try to re-log in. If this also do not work, what you can do, you can once open any of the browser and in the search bar you can search for is Hinge application facing any server issues? Facing any server issues today? And you can check it. If it's the server issue, then it will get resolved and then you can try to log in. Else, the next thing what you can do is try to reinstall the application and try to log in again. This is how you can fix the issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.